Describe a time when something changed your life in a good way. You should say, what happened, when it happened, how it changed your life, and explain why it was a positive change. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic, describe a time when something changed your life in a good way that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Being the part of life, changes come frequently and leave their positive or negative impact. I am under these many times, so I am going to speak on a positive impact because of a significant change which occurred about a year ago when I developed the habit of going for morning walk. It all started when I was feeling stressed and overwhelmed with my studies and daily responsibilities, so getting rid of these was the need of hour. I discussed with my friends, and one of my friend suggested that I try going for a walk early in the morning to clear my mind and start the day on a positive note. The idea hit me, so I decided to give it a try, and from the very first day, I noticed a difference. The cool, fresh air and the quietness of the morning made me feel calm and refreshed. I began to enjoy it so much that I have made it a daily habit. Now, I walk for 4 kilometers on daily basis in the fresh air, which not only rejuvenates but also energizes me. This simple change has had a profound impact on my life. Physically, I've noticed an improvement in my overall health. I feel more energetic throughout the day, and my fitness level has increased. I do not feel strain on my eyes while working on computer and remain active for the full day. Mentally, it has helped me manage stress and anxiety better. Starting my day with a walk gives me time to think, plan, and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. I utilize the maximum time of the day in a constructive way by doing more in less time. Moreover, this habit has improved my productivity. I feel more focused and clear-headed after my walk, which helps me tackle my tasks more efficiently. It has also given me a sense of discipline and routine, which was something I struggled with before. Besides it, I am punctual as I reach my school on time and finish my homework, which has made my teachers and parents happy. In conclusion, developing the habit of going for morning walk was a positive change in my life because it has enhanced my physical and mental well-being. It's a simple activity, but it has brought me so much joy and balance, making it one of the best decisions I've ever made. This change has truly made my life better in every way. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this sample answer helpful and that it gives you some ideas on how to approach this cue card topic. Remember, the key to doing well in the IELTS speaking exam is practice. So try to practice speaking on different topics as much as you can. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more IELTS tips and sample answers. Also, if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your IELTS preparation.